What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to show off my 2021 4th of July fireworks stash. I might get more, but this is probably going to be it. I got them breakdown by stores that I went and picked them up at, so here we go. Back in heat. White. Christmas Eve. Bling bling. Never had that cake. It was the store's favorite, so I picked it up. This little spot right here was picked up at the Firework Superstore in Hannibal, Missouri. Alright, this little tower. This little stack right here was picked up at Warrenton, Missouri wholesale fireworks store. This little section right here. Party. Picked these up at a location called Rocket Fireworks, and that was in Wright City, Missouri. And these were picked up at a local stand near me. I guess apparently these are just a salute ball shell. So I'm gonna see how they are. Yep, that's my stash. Thanks for checking out.